Hi everyone, welcome to Excel Insider. In today's video, we will learn how to find unknown values on Excel graphs. Here's a dataset on my screen for a scatter chart, which has the ice cream sales values in column B for different kind of temperatures in column A. Now, we will learn how we can find the sales of our ice creams for an unknown temperature, for example, 32 degrees Celsius. The first method for this is to use a scatter chart. To do that, select all the data in your screen like this. Then go to the Insert tab. From there, at the Chart section, select a scatter chart. Now, a chart is visible which gives us the ice cream sales values in different kind of temperatures. To show the trend line of the chart, click on it, go to the plus icon, which is the chart elements icon, click it, then scroll down, check the trend line option. Now, the trend line is visible too. To show the equation of the trend line, just double-click on the trend line, which will open the Format Trend Line pane at the right side of your screen. From there, under the trend line options, scroll down and then check the Display Equation on Chart option. Now, an equation is visible upon the chart, which is y equals to 10x minus 100. From eye estimation, we can say that at 32 degrees Celsius temperature, the ice cream sales value will be somewhere between 200 and 250. But let's figure it out, the actual value at 32 degrees Celsius temperature using this equation. For this, in cell A6, type 32, press Enter. In cell B6, type equals, and now to utilize this equation, type bracket 10 into cell A6, closing bracket, minus 100. Press Enter. It gives us 220 as the ice cream sales value at 32 degrees Celsius temperature. The chart method is really useful if you want to manually determine an unknown value of a series. Now, another method we can use is the trend function method. It's a built-in function in Excel. The trend function returns numbers in a linear trend matching known data points using the least square method. To find out the ice cream sales value at cell A6, we will again type 32 and press Enter. In cell B6, type equals trend. Now, as known y's, put the ice cream sales value ranges, which is B2 to B5, comma. As known x's, put the temperature value range, which is A2 to A5, comma. Finally, as new x's, put cell A6. Close the bracket, press Enter. It again returns us with 220 as the ice cream sales value at 32 degrees Celsius temperature. There's another method similar to this which we can use to determine the same value. That is the forecast function method. This function calculates or predicts a future value along a linear trend by using existing values. To use this function, in cell A6, type 32, press Enter. In cell B6, type equals forecast. Now, as the x value, put cell A6, comma. As the known y's, put ice cream sales value ranges, which is B2 to B5, comma. Finally, as known x's, put the temperature value ranges, which is A2 to A5. Close the bracket and then press Enter. It again gives us 220 as the ice cream sales value at 32 degrees Celsius temperature. The last two methods are really useful when you want dynamic calculation without creating a chart or looking at any equations. You can get the workbook of this content linked below. Drop any questions or feedback in the comment box, and please visit Excel Insider for more Excel and Google Sheets tutorial like this.